Hi guys, in today's video I will tell you about Google AdSense and how you can earn money from it. Google AdSense is a program that lets you run ads on your website, YouTube videos or blog. You are paid when someone clicks on the ad. Businesses using the Google AdWords program generate the ads and you feed them by using an AdSense code. If your website or blog is new, Google AdSense is one of the quickest ways to generate an income for you. The program is free and the eligibility requirements are simple. You get a wide range of ad options to choose from, some of which you're able to customize to complement the feel and look of your site. Payments are made to you by Google and are made by clients direct deposit every month. You're not limited to running ads on just one website. You can also run ads on RSS feeds and mobile devices. You have to meet specific Google requirements to include the ad on your website, blog or YouTube channel. Your website, for example, has to have at least 30 pages of content that's unique, is every month, and is 3 months old and generate traffic. The better the traffic, the higher your potential of earning. Level of expertise is intermediate, expert, and requirements are website, blog, or a YouTube channel that meets Google requirements, some technical knowledge, and time. You can start earning as soon as your site is approved. Tools that's easier to display AdSense if you're using a platform such as WordPress, and the income potential is 20 cents to $15 per click. And I also have another topic on how you can earn money online by doing your hobbies. If you've got a hobby or two you didn't realize that can make you money by doing something you love, you may have not got into your hobby into the intention of making money, but some have the potential to become money streamers if you're serious enough. One and I will and the most lucrative hobbies are writing. Besides earning your money, publishing and writing online is also a great way to further your career or become a established expert. Freelance on sites like Fiverr or Upwork, or write your own blog. Design and illustrate. This creative hobby can also make you money on a freelance basis. There are always potential clients on Fiverr, for example. Another option is to put your illustrations or designs on items like posts, canvases, or t-shirts. Choose a print-on-demand service and you don't need money upfront or for an inventory. Cooking. Start a foodie blog to showcase your creations, create a YouTube channel, or teach people how to cook. Dive headfirst into your hobby by creating a cooking product or a food. Music. In music, we have record and sell your albums or songs. Platforms like SoundCloud Cloud are good places to sell what you record, creating beats or samples in another money-making or musical hobby. DIY crafting can be very profitable. There is an endless number of things you could do to make and sell. For example, jewelry, bath bomb, soaps, wooden puzzles, candles, and many more. Gardening with more people spending time at home, and gardening has seen a significant increase in popularity as well as making you healthier and happier. This hobby could also make you richer. Photography, you can You could become a freelance photographer, but for a side hustle that's more scalable, why not sell your photos as a prints or stock images? And for the last, comedy. If you've got a good sense of humor and enjoy making people laugh, have you thought about using this talent to make money? It's possible to amass a large audience by curating viral videos, memes, or tapping into humorous niches. Level of expertise, beginner, intermediate, and expert requirements are an interest or a hobby with the potential to monetize. And time, once you've made the items, you could sell for a profit within a few weeks. Tools you need, it depends upon the hobby, and the income potentials are from $10,000 to $1 million annually. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.